Satanam. Well, welcome to 2019. You can see little butterflies and that. Doesn't seem like the middle of winter. I know some of you are going, oh my God, that's why I sat in front of my lemon tree, right? To just give you that juiciness to start this new year, because this new year is going to be amazing, great, powerful, intense, completion. A 10 is the end of a cycle, right? It's also going to be, it's not a year where you're going to be babied and held and nurtured. It's going to be a year where you get to have your intuition really on. You get to have your nervous system strong, your magnetic field, so you can move into things when you're called on. 10 is an absolute. 10 is an all or nothing. And it's going to be that kind of year. So the real question to you is, are you in? Are you in from the inside out? Are you in? And if you are, then this is your year to wake up. Really wake up. Wake up. And in that being said, I'm going to give you a really great meditation for your nervous system that's really sweet, but it really helps the nervous system. And I just want to say, oh my God, you really want to be connected to you. Don't start out this year sloppy and, making all these resolutions and then not keeping them and doing all that kind of stuff. Pick one thing you're going to do and do that one thing that you think can serve you the most. And I have something that I'm hoping that you will say yes to, because it's the most inexpensive program I have, and it will serve you every single week, every month of the year. You will get something. It's a topic. Each month has a topic. You can guess. Food, love, support. But every month has a topic that will serve you. Each week you get something that will really support you. A video, an energy guru exercise, something that will support you so you can build your toolkit and hopefully use it all. Use it to support you, to be in you, okay? I'm hoping that you will say yes to awakening this year that is just about do it. Really do it, and do it now, and do it powerfully, and do it with your entire being, because that's what a 10 is. 10 isn't like, yeah, I'll do this half-hearted. No. Now, totality, and with grace and ease and power. So there's this fabulous meditation for your nervous system. And men and women have different mudras. So the male aspect of this is your right hand is up in Surya Mudra, which is for healing, just like this, like you're taking a pledge. And your left hand is in Buddhi Mudra, just in your lap. Okay. Women is just the opposite. Left hand is in Surya Mudra, and right hand, Buddhi Mudra, relaxed in your lap. So with one hand, you're taking a pledge. With the other one, you're feeling relaxed and connected. And you just breathe beautifully. You hold that breath. You repeat the mantra of your choice. Satanam is such an easy mantra, but just means truth is your identity. And if you play with that mantra over and over and over again, it's not about relative truth. It's not about your truth, my truth, societal truth. It's absolute truth, the absolute totality of you, right? And just sit very strong, straight, powerful, breathe, and feel like you're just inhaling and exhaling Satanam. So you're bringing it into you and you're giving it back into the world. So just feel the ease and the grace of this. Breathe into it. Do it for at least 7 minutes. This year, I would say 22. Just make it yours. Breathe into it. Love it. And let it love you back. Satanam. Happy New Year. Blessed year. Waheguru.